In this video, I'm going to show you an even easier way to force the first page break slider closed in your Joomla articles. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 193 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I share my favorite extensions, tips, and tools for building and managing Joomla sites. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJOOMLA and you will get your first month free. Now, it may seem that this topic is very familiar. It is, because it's the topic of my most recent live stream here on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those. Ring the bell for notification. And we looked at this, how to get the slider, the first slider of a page break in your Joomla article to be closed instead of open by default, which is in Joomla. And the solution that I showed in the live stream, I have since found an even easier way to do it. So I thought I'd make it just a quick tip today. So let's turn our attention to the screen now. All right, so here we are. I have an article set up on this, just very basic Joomla install. But right now, the page break plugin for the editor is set to be displayed as sections. So what you want to do if you're using the tab, if you're using the slider option, is go to extensions and plugins, as I'm already here. Search for, I would just search, even just search for page. Go to content page break, and then presentation style, you're going to switch to sliders. You probably already have that if you've been searching for how to do this online and come to this video. Now when we refresh that page, we see here that we have each of the page breaks appears in a section. So if we want to, someone wants to read section 2, it opens 3, 4, exactly like that. But the problem is when, let me just bring this back, is that when you go to this page and it opens in default, by default section 1 is open, and you may not want that. All right, and now there are other extensions that you can do, like regular labs that have tabs in them. I already have this accordion view, regular labs tabs, and also JD Page Builder has a really nice accordion feature. But if you want to use the defaults, the core system in Joomla, especially if you have a site that has lots and lots and lots of pages that already have this set into it, if this is something that you want to use now, you want to use this tip. And here's the simple trick. Let's go into that article. I already have it open. Here, these lines are the different article page breaks in the article. Let's view the code here. All right. Now in this code we can see, and I'm just going to hive this off right here by itself, the code that makes the slider. HR, title, section 1, alt equals section 1, class break, system page break. What we're going to do is copy that, and we're just going to paste another one above it, or below it would work, right above it. All right, Control V. Now we're going to go OK. You'll see we'll end up with a second line, but because we have no text between these page breaks, that's all we're going to see is those together. We'll save this, and now when we view the home, now when we preview the page, we're going to have section 1, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. But notice section 1 is closed, but we copied this section here, the code, so we don't really want two sections 1. Now, last week in my live stream, I showed how to remove that text automatically, but really all you have to do is this. Let's go back to the article, view the page source right here, and we're going to go to that first break up here. See, it says HR title equals section 1. We're going to take that out, and we're also going to take out the alt section 1. Now, it's important for us to have this sort of empty break in here, page break, because the code in Joomla looks for the first one and says, oh, there's the first one, let's open it up. So technically this one is open, but we have no text in between or after it, so there's nothing to show. We click OK, we click Save, we go to the front page, We hit refresh, and there you have it. Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Section 1 is actually the second page break that's in there, but the first one we can't see because we took out the name. So now someone can click on that, and there they have viewing the first one right away, and then they can just keep popping down. So there you have it, a little bit easier way than even what I think was an easy way that I showed on Wednesday. Just put in another page break, but take out the name and the alias of it, and everything will work exactly like this, the way that you want. I hope that that was helpful to you. If it was, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and give this video a like to help others find it. Until the next time, YouTube thinks there's some things, and they're popping it up on the screen right now, that would be good for you to watch next. So why not check those out? All right, until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.